Hey, welcome to Quickly AI series, presented to you by Quickly Embedded YouTube channel. This is part 1 of the series. In this video, we'll present to you few trendy and innovative application ideas of AI. Artificial intelligence, known to be useful in many industries in helping to improve the way of life of many. Let's see those interesting ideas of application. Let's start from the first idea. It is catching thieves before they steal by using existing security camera and by running AI algorithms with the live captured videos. Wow, right? Yes. The artificial intelligent camera software is able to identify potential shoplifters. The AI algorithm is able to study and assess shoppers' body language from security camera footage, such as suspicious movements, restlessness, and stuff like that. The intelligent algorithm and the system can alert staff about a potential thief present in their shop or supermarket through a smartphone app. The goal of this is prevention of theft. Based on the notification by AI camera or app, the shop staff will try to walk around or talk to the potential shoplifter, that particular customer, so that the theft can be prevented. Great, right? You see, the situation is global retail industry lost as much as 34 billion US dollars to shoplifting in 2017 alone. That is crazy, right? So according to survey, retailers are projected to invest about $200 billion in new technology this year. Well, pick your share of this wealth. The second innovative idea of AI is improve personalized learning outcomes for students. See, there are AI platforms that enable students to maximize learning outcomes. So basically, to improve learning outcomes, student behavior is an important factor. Behavioral traits like overconfidence, attention gaps, pressure, time management, stamina, fear, and prioritization, like all these impact students' learning outcomes, meaning test scores. Imagine each student gets a goal to improve his or her behavior. These platforms uses a smart test generation system, data processing, and intelligent content ingestion to produce test papers that can remarkably improve students' scoring ability. These AI companies have built machine learning based stack that generates tests automatically using approaches like genetic algorithm. Using analytics and AI, it captures students' weakness centered on critical exam performance metrics like accuracy, speed, time management, stamina, attempt planning, and confidence of the student. So there are algorithms that can explain how well did the teacher explain using content or whiteboard, or how interactive are the classes taken by that particular teacher. So the teacher is then scored based on these parameters, which then help him to enhance his teaching. So basically, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data have helped the education sector to identify the needs and gaps in education system. AI can detect cancer. Yes, you heard it right. Let's understand more on this third application. Standard screening methods such as radiological imaging can miss signs of cancer, or the slides used in pathology are often not digitized, or it suffers inconsistencies in scan quality. So compared to human analysis, algorithm can search exhaustively for cancer patterns to dramatically reduce the chance of false negatives, that is, missed case of cancer. AI can greatly improve the accuracy of image detection for cancer. It is sure that AI faces its own unique challenges in this field, such as lack of enough data to process or to train neural networks. But companies are finding, innovative ways to get around the problems and achieving impressive results. There are approaches by companies like their algorithm analyzes cell-free DNA to determine patients' genetic disposition to cancer, whether patient have cancer and in what part of the body. What AI needs from healthcare industry is a lot of data, right mindset of professional, and their participation. AI can really gonna change the healthcare industry in coming days. Keep watching. The fourth idea that I found very interesting is, how about an app that tells you when is the best time to book your flights? You very well know that flight prices can change from one minute to the next. So how do you know the best time to buy your tickets? You agree with me, sometimes it is better to book the flight ahead of time, while other times it is better to wait until just before the departure date to find cheaper tickets. There are AI-powered apps to help you with this through predictive analytics driven by artificial intelligence. App is able to predict price patterns and alert travelers about the cheapest times to buy flights to their destinations. So these apps have already saved billions of dollars to their customers and travelers. So this is why we love AI and their innovative applications. So the fifth idea that we are discussing now is targeted ads on coolers, that is AI smart shelves. You must know that few companies started installing screens and cameras on coolers in supermarkets. Typically, cameras are just used to sense when someone is in front of the cooler or keeping a count on shoppers passing by. That's very little use of it. Thanks to AI, you can do more than this. The cameras, which are located right above the door handle, so when a customer gets in view of the camera, artificial intelligence will make a guess at age and sex. What's more, camera can track customers' eye movements to see where they are looking. The smart shelves watching customers' every move. Now the screens can start showing ads suitable to that age or sex group of the shopper, meaning the screen will then show real-time targeted ads. This is awesome, right? This is what we want as consumers. I mean, having ad or deals tailored to us can improve the shopping experience. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Quickly Embedded channel for many more interesting videos.